From the 17th to 19th century was the age of the Tokugawa. This age featured limited contact from foreigners, but eventually external pressure forced the Japanese to open up its borders, and the two powerful domains called the Satsuma and Choshu eventually overthrew the Tokugawa shogunate and put Emperor Meiji on the throne in 1869. And this abolished the Japan's traditional systems and replaced them with Western governments and systems and technology. With this new strengthened country, Japan was able to beat the Chinese and the Russians in the Sino-Japanese War and the Russo-Japanese War.